Are you tired of taking pictures that don't get noticed? Do you want to capture stunning images that stand out from the crowd? Well, you've come to the right place. Because taking photos that people notice, well, it requires a little bit more creativity, a little bit more skill. First, you need to find the perfect location. So look for interesting backdrops, unique buildings that are going to make your photo pop. Write them down, make a mental note of where they are so you can go back to them. Second, I think you need to pay attention to your lighting. Now, the right lighting can make all the difference in your photography. Try taking pictures during the golden hour when the sun's low in the sky for a warm, soft look. Third, you could experiment with angles and perspectives. Don't be afraid to maybe get down low, lie on the ground if you need to, climb up a tree, whatever. Get a different angle, an interesting angle for an interesting shot. And lastly, always candid moments. The most memorable photos are often the ones that capture real emotions and interactions. So remember to take pictures that people notice. You need to find the perfect location, pay attention to lighting and experiment with angles and look for candid moments. With a little bit of practice, you'll be taking stunning photos that people can't help but notice. Hey, happy shooting. Oh, and hey, I'm trying to grow this channel at the moment. It really helps me. If you could just take a second, hit the like button, I can grow the channel, and photographers, we can talk to more photographers. Thanks for watching today. See you next time.